Conservation is the primary objective of Green Hills Butterfly Ranch. Green Hills is located in the tropical broadleaf forest in Belize. Green Hills owns 250 acres of forest, and we manage another 800 acres of adjoining forest. The rainforest has a very rich biodiversity. The forest itself consists of many hundreds of species of trees, shrubs, and other vegetation. Within the forest, there are multitudes of mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and invertebrates. Many are endangered. The invertebrates make up the largest numbers of species. Looking at the bigger fauna, we have somewhere around 100 species of mammals. Within the property, we have all 5 of the native cats: the jaguar, mountain lion, jaguarundi, ocelot, and the margay. Other important animals include tapirs, herds of peccaries, large numbers of coatamundis, agoutis, gibnuts, anteaters, howler monkeys, deer, and many others. The snake population is very healthy, with about 50 different species of snakes recorded on Green Hills. We have multitudes of amphibians, frogs, lizards, geckos living in the forest. The invertebrates number many thousands of species, and Green Hills is a recognized birding hotspot. The butterfly farming operation focuses on indigenous species that are compatible with being bred in captivity, being exported to the US, and performing well in butterfly exhibits. The larval host plants for the butterflies are available on our property in large quantities, so we can produce unlimited amounts of butterflies. Our whole farming operation is very compatible with the natural ecosystem. The other main activity that we carry out at Green Hills is education, which we believe is a very powerful conservation tool. By educating Belizean schoolchildren and instilling in them at an early age a love and appreciation of the natural world, the large numbers of students who visit Green Hills regularly as part of their school curriculum are becoming lifelong conservationists. We also educate the tourists who visit Green Hills about the importance of the conservation work that we're doing, the active guarding and preservation of the forest, rewilding of previously cleared areas, and the production of vast amounts of forest tree seedlings. We export live pupa from Belize to the United States and Europe, which enables schoolchildren in urban environments overseas to visit butterfly houses and come into contact with butterflies from the rainforest, which they would normally be unable to do. The economic activities of tourism and live pupa export, being very labour intensive, generate significant employment opportunities in rural areas of Belize, enabling us to employ large numbers of local people in a conservation-oriented profession. All of our economic activity is foreign earnings based, which contributes to the economy of the country as a whole. We educate our staff about the importance of conservation and about all of the natural flora and fauna of Belize. And just by virtue of farming butterflies, they're gaining an appreciation of the wild. It evokes a feeling of conservation and a love of the natural world. Around Belize, we have set up many independent butterfly producers. We pay them directly for their pupa, which are added to our production. We are currently working with about 40 species of butterflies. The export of butterflies to butterfly houses in the US and Europe generates income, which is largely ploughed back into the conservation of the tropical forest. The whole activity of butterfly farming is a fundamental part of our conservation activity. It is very important to us that our enthusiasm and dedication for conservation be passed on to the many visitors to butterfly exhibits in the First World.